degree. The angle will be how much? 360 degree. Even the property holds if the quadrilateral is not convex. Not convex means what? Convex, the concave. Concave means what? The angles which have a outside diagonals. Here we have a outside diagonals. We can form a outside diagonals. But here we have a inside diagonals also. The angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to what? 360 degree. And we can form a quadrilateral angle. Yes, we can form a quadrilateral angle. Third one. Okay, understood? How we did? Fourth one, you only have to solve by yourself, children. Fourth one, try to solve it. Okay, if you not understand, we'll see it in the next class. Now turn the page number. Next page, 5th main. Okay, 5th main. Write the heading. What is the regular polygon? Why it is called as a regular? Regular means what, children? I told you in the simple way. The regular means when all the sides of angles are equal. Or the sides of length is equal, that is called as a regular. State of the name of a regular polygon of a sides. 3 sides. Which angle it is? The 3 sides. If you have a 3 sides, which angle it is? Equilateral triangle. When we have a 3 sides, we have equilateral triangles. 5th one. Answer. I am writing only answer. The 3 sides. 3 sides will be always equilateral angle. Definition you all know. The regular polygon definition you all know. You have to write it by. I will write it that also. Regular polygon definition. 5th one. I am writing 5th one. A polygon with equal sides and equal angles are called regular polygon. Regular polygon. Okay. Now question is that the first question is 3 sides. When we have 3 sides, that will be what? When we have 3 sides, we have an equilateral. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Second question. When we have 4 sides. When we have 4 sides. That time it will be square. You all know this name. Square. Next one. When we have 6 sides. When we have 6 sides. When we have 6 sides, it will be what? It will be regular hexagon. Regular hexagon. Okay? Understood now? Now write this one. 5th one answer. Copy this in your classwork, children, directly. We'll move on to the 6th main now. Find the angle measuring x. Finding the value of x. They given a picture and they given a sum of the angles there. And they are telling to find out the one angle. That is named with the x letter. That x value we have to find out. Okay? Shall we run now? We'll move on to the next one. 6th one. Sixth one. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Here they given a picture there. They given 3 sides and the remaining one is named as a x. We have to find out that angle. like this. Here we have 50 degree. Here we have x. This value we don't know. Next one we have 130 degree. Here we have 120 degree. These three angles we know. The remaining one is we have to find out. Okay. First one, we'll name it as like this. A, B, C and D. We are naming it as a B, C, D. Now we'll write it. Angle D is equals to 50 degree. Angle A is equals to 130 degree. Angle B is equals to 120 degree. And angle C is equals to x. We have to find out the angle C. We don't know that. Now what we have to do? Angle D plus angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 360 degree. The formula of the angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Okay. Now we have to write the angles there. Down we have to write the angles. Angle D is equals to 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus C is x is equals to 360 degree. Now we have to add these three. Add these three, what we get? We get 300 degree plus x. 300 degree plus x we get. X is equals to 360. Is equals to 360. I will take this x outside. X is equals to 360 minus, how much we get? X is equals to 360 minus 300 will be what? 60 degree. We got what? X. We got angle C is equals to 60 degree. This we got 60 degree. Understood how to find out the value of the not given value? This angle we got using the property which is that angle sum property. Using the angle sum property of equilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Using the angle sum property of quadrilateral, we found the value of x. Okay. This is the first problem. Please write it in your classwork correctly, step by step. Angle D is equals to angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to. Just I am giving the name to that angles. In your textbook they are not mentioned the angles names. We are just giving the name to that. Any names we can give for your understanding sake it is. Okay. It will make you to find out the values easily. Find out the values easily. We did. Now we move on to the next problem. Copy this in your classwork. Seventh one. In the sixth main, second problem. Second problem. We have a figure like this. The seventh problem. First one we did. Second problem. We have a straight line here. We have an angle, and after that, it is like this. Okay. It is like this. They given a here, and they not mentioned the value of this one. They mentioned the value of 70 degree here. They mentioned the value here 60 property. Angle sum property is equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. Okay. Now angle A is 90 degree, angle B is X, angle C is how much? 70 degree, angle D is 60 degree. So is equals to 360 degree. Okay, I will write this up. This one I am writing up. 90 X I am taking out X degree plus add these three numbers. What we get? 220. 220 is equals to 360. Is equals to 360 degree. X I will take down out. 360 degree minus 220 minus 220 minus now how much we get? We get 140 degree. X what we got here? 140 degree. And here we got 90 degree. Here also we got what children? 90 degree. There also we got 90 degree. First what we have to do? We have to name the picture first. After that naming which all angles come in that, we have to write that. After that they given an exterior angle. We have to find out the interior angles. So we have to find out the interior angles first. After finding the interior angle, we are applying the angle sum property of quadrilateral. We are applying that. In that we have to write all the angles and find out the value of X. We did that. We got 140 as our angle, the X angle. Okay, understood how to find out this one? We have so many sums on this. Remaining 3 sums are there and some more examples are there in the downside. We'll solve that all examples in the next class. Okay, that will be difficult for you when we solve all the problems at a time. So, with the remaining problems we'll solve it in the next class.